I'm making Swiss roll delight. It's a pudding, and this is Swiss roll cutting slices, and I have arranged it in the bowl. Then these are fruits: pineapple, cherries. One is cherry. This is pumpkin preserve cut, chopped pineapple, and this is gelatin. I have water and it's dissolved. And this is the custard I have made with condensed milk, water, 3 egg yolks and sugar. I have given you the recipe. You can follow the recipe. It's very, very clear. First, now I have to beat this is the made custard that I made. I had to beat it with the gelatin, just little by little you add gelatin. Gelatin has to be sort of a liquid form. Warm it a little and then only come. Now I have finished doing the custard, and after that I have added the gelatin, that is soaked gelatin. Warm it up and make it like little water like, and then little by little you add and keep on beating, and it has been done now. And after that now I will add the white of egg, one white of egg. I couldn't tell you earlier. It doesn't have to be very stiff, just a 41. To add that also. Hold it in like. Now add the pineapple, that is the fruit. Pumpkin reserve. Little bit of cherries just to give color. And a little vanilla. Now everything is done. Now you have to pour the custard with the fruit into this bowl, which I have been lining it. It's lined with this roll, and you just pour it in. Now I have finished I have poured the custard into the bowl. Now it's done. You have to keep it in the fridge till it's set. And once it's set, you can turn it upside down if you like. Otherwise, of course, you can put the meringue on top here, or else turn it out and put it on top. Now I am going to prepare the meringue for this for the decoration of the pudding. This roll delight. I have to turn it out, and then after that make the meringue and put it on top and decorate it. Now I have to do it. Start beating this. You have to beat it. See if I have added a little cream of tartar. And I keep on beating and keep on adding sugar, and and make it, you have to make it really stiff, and after that only you have to add the sugar. Now I have to add sugar for the meringue, just a little first. First you have to beat it really, beat it till it's very very stiff. Otherwise it can be sticky and it can get watery. Now I have done the pudding, turned it out onto the tray. Now I have to decorate on top. You can decorate as the way you want. If you want, you can just, without turning it out even, you can just keep it and decorate on top on the other side. So we will decorate now with the meringue. This meringue, you know how we made it. I have used. Now I finished decorating it with cherries, but you can use your common sense and do what the other decorations what you want. You can use yolks and things like that, you know. Anyway, now it's done and it's very tasty, taste and savory.